Maya dreamt of bright lights. Not city lights, though those were beautiful too. Maya dreamt of the dazzling lights of Broadway. Singing and dancing were her passions, her escape, her truest self. From a young age she poured her heart into every school play, every community recital. Her voice, though small, held a depth of emotion that resonated with audiences. Her movements, a graceful dance between vulnerability and strength. But Broadway, that magical land of opportunity, felt a million miles away from her small rural town. Still, Maya held on to her dream, nurturing it like a delicate seedling, yearning for the day it would blossom. The road to Broadway is paved with rejection. Maya learned this lesson early on. Audition after audition ended in polite smiles and thinly veiled disappointment. "Thank you for sharing your talent," they'd say, their words a familiar sting. Financial burdens added another layer of difficulty. Chasing a dream in the city, even for a girl as resourceful as Maya, was expensive. She juggled multiple part-time jobs, the exhaustion a constant companion. Doubts, insidious and persistent, began to creep in. Was she good enough? Was she wasting her time? The bright lights of Broadway, once a beacon of hope, flickered precariously in the face of adversity. What set Maya apart wasn't just raw talent, though she possessed it in spades. It was her unwavering spirit, her refusal to let rejection define her. Every no fueled her determination. Every setback was a chance to learn and grow. She sought out mentors, seasoned performers who recognized the fire in her eyes. They offered guidance, shared their own stories of struggle and triumph. Their belief in her, a soothing balm on her weary spirit. Maya never lost sight of her dream. She visualized herself on that stage, feeling the energy of the audience, pouring her heart into every note, every step. This vision, a constant source of motivation, propelled her forward. Years of relentless effort, unwavering belief, and countless sacrifices finally paid off. The call came on a day that felt like any other. A Broadway production seeking a fresh face had seen something special in Maya. They offered her the role. Tears of joy streamed down her face, a culmination of every hardship, every doubt, every moment of unwavering faith. Standing on that stage, bathed in the warm glow of the spotlight, Maya was home. Her journey was a testament to the power of perseverance. A reminder that dreams, even the seemingly impossible ones, can be realized with unwavering belief and the courage to never, ever give up. If you found Maya's story inspiring, hit the like button and subscribe for more uplifting content.